here with my cousin. Ayun. Ah! Ito yung murder! Ito yung murder! Naging kalbo ako. Ito ka! Here you are. Pepsi! Oh my God! You should start with a YouTube channel. Ah, hello. Coconut is a giant nut. Coconut is a giant nut. Ganito. Para maglalog tayo. Yung iba niya, papunta silang ganun. Biglang dito ako. Palain. Ayaw! 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 Ayaw nga eh. Ayaw mo yan. Diba? Nakakasabi. Sabit ka sa akin. Okay. Pwede nyo guys, so parang puno ako kasi ito yung monkey. I'm not a monkey. I'm a pig. This is why I have pink hair. Okay. Oh my God, I have a twin. I have a twin here. That's not your pig. That's my twin. She is pink. Twin, kasi kalbo siya. She is my twin because I have pink hair. Ah, she's smaller than I thought. You're so small, Pinky. Wait for the next round, guys. Stop ko muna and I'm gonna watch. Tara. Hala, nagtatago. Si Hider. Oh, hider to. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. Okay, guys. For a minute. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Ito pala yung sheriff. I just want the gun. Ito ko muna. Okay. Ito, factory, my favorite. There's a bunny here. Yeah, nga eh. Kasi batan. Yeah. Pwede tayo dito. And crime. Ayaw na. Tara dito tayo sa secret room. Dito. Hindi ka makakapasok. Oh! Oh, papasok ka? Yeah. Innocenta! Sinabi ko, innocenta. Innocente na naman. Innocente. Ayan yung gusto kong word. Innocent. Oh. Para tayo nag-ano. Oo, Bill. Gumagat ko. Kasi mag-shift lang. Ay. Parang si Patrick yung murderer. May Delta lang ako. Nakikita ko yung mga sheriff at murder. You have a smoothie. Can I have? Can I have one? Can I have one? Yum, yum. Bakit di? AFK si Patrick! Para maglilive daw si Mother. Gumagalaw na! Minsan ako gutuwa. Who's gonna leave you up? I don't want food. I don't want food. I think Patrick is really the murderer. She was freaking out. Why are you chasing other girls? Like the creepy. Bro, I like this street to an evade. So let's evade. Oh my god. Did someone oop? Si Patrick! Ito siya oh! Si Patrick! Tara! Ito yung... Ito siya oh! Totoo! Saan kaya yung murder? Saan yung murder? I don't know. Meron dito ng laptop. Tingnan mo. Nag-hack. Tingnan mo na. Murder yun? Ah, yung kulay gray. Where's the sheriff? There's my twin, guys. There's my twin. Okay. Here you are, Calvo. Are you just eating ice cream? Is it hot? Chocolate. Chocolate. Oh my God. Huh? Sino kaya yung murder? Tingnan natin mamaya. Hmm. Let's go. Ah, si Patrick nga! Oh. Kaso hindi na end yung... Oh, sabi niya, lalaki yung murder eh. Hello guys. Hola. Tali, tali, oh. I know that. Oh, stop. Ang pangit talaga siya. Walang mataguan. Kaya nga eh. Basic lang. Basic, basic, basic. Basic. Yung mga hiding spot. Innocent! Ah, let's team up. Let's team up. Baka maban tayo. Di naman tayo mababan na. Yeah, mababan tayo eh. Eh, di wag na lang sabihin. Tapos wag mo na lang ako patayin. Hello. Bakit ang niyo tapos ako lang yung call ko? Like, I'm the tallest girl. Or what? Aray ko. Dapat siya kasi kung mamagat. Madugas. Ay, dito, dito. Kaso, bakit gusto nila sa factory? Bye, guys.